The Volvo 9700 is a top-of-the-line coach designed for long-distance travel and comfort. Known for its sleek design and advanced technology, this vehicle is a favorite among tour operators and transport companies. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Volvo 9700 stand out in the crowded market of luxury coaches. The Volvo 9700 boasts a modern and aerodynamic design that not only looks good but also improves fuel efficiency. The spacious interior is designed with passenger comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic seats, ample legroom, and high-quality materials. We'll take a closer look at the seating arrangements, storage options, and overall cabin layout. Under the hood, the Volvo 9700 is powered by a robust engine that delivers excellent performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. We'll discuss the engine specifications, transmission options, and how the coach performs on different terrains. Additionally, we'll highlight the vehicle's fuel-saving technologies and how they contribute to lower operating costs. Safety is a top priority for Volvo, and the 9700 is no exception. This coach is equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including collision avoidance systems, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. We'll go over these features in detail and explain how they work to keep passengers safe on the road. The Volvo 9700 comes with a host of modern technology features designed to enhance the travel experience. From infotainment systems to connectivity options, we'll explore the tech that makes this coach a smart choice for both drivers and passengers. We'll also look at the driver assistance systems that make long journeys more manageable. In conclusion, the Volvo 9700 is a well-rounded luxury coach that offers a perfect blend of comfort, performance, and safety. Whether you're a tour operator looking for a reliable vehicle or a passenger seeking a comfortable ride, the Volvo 9700 is worth considering.